So this is the game of cushion ball. Game consists of two men, either side of a pool table. You have to hurl the white ball against the cushion. Points are scored for every cushion the white ball hits before entering a bucket. You also get an additional point for each bucket. It's the first of 15, and the 15 gets you to the blind shot, where you have to stare the other opponent in the eyes and psych him out, while he has to make his shot to win the game. That shot has to hit at least one cushion before entering a bucket. Let's get it on. What about service? Service consists of both players starting from this side of the table. You have to throw the white ball at the far end cushion, and it's the nearest one to that dot right there gets to play first. It's time to go first. Let's get it on. Well, that's about that, Tom. Can you come over here and place your finger on the button? Hold the camera, bitch. Well, that's about the spot on. Really go first. Let's get it on. Oh, it's the ball. It's the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the ball on it. Now go next. Oh, no, on the play. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6. It's 6 ball. Oh. Miss. It's a miss. Could be a 4. Oh. Could be a 5. Of course, there's other rules in the sport. If the ball happens to miss every cushion and goes straight in the hole, you lose all your points. I'm not going to do an example of that. It's a miss. Still 6-4. Could be a long game.